Are you aware that the Lake Havasu City Council has approved $138,000 of taxpayer money to pay for a special election to annex a portion of the Refuge Golf Course? The finance director and mayor promised that the city would be at no expense.
Seems to be offered at very low risk to the city. And again, we're not putting public dollars at risk by annexation of this property.
This project completely different. Now, this annexation is not having such a request from the developer. They're paying for everything. So the city will not be stuck with a bill.
So if the city is to be at no cost and no risk, then why isn't the developer paying for this special election? And as for risk, there is ongoing litigation that may overturn the result of the election, no matter what the outcome.
If the election is held in May, and this is, and of course, the citizens of Lake Havasu approve the annexation, and then later on down the road, the court overturns or rules in favor or against city center and in favor of the refuge homeowners. Does that trump the, so to speak, the election?
And the city attorney's response to this question is,
there is a third lawsuit, however, against Lake Havasu City, which does challenge the validity of the process used by the city to annex the property. If the ruling in that case would govern the legality of the annexation process. So even hypothetically, if the voters approve the annexation, if there were a ruling adverse to the city in that lawsuit, it could affect the validity of the annexation.
so couldn't the city wait until the pending litigation is settled so the cost of the special election is not wasted? And again, the city attorney's answered.
It's either to call the special election, to have the matter considered before the general election, or to simply cause it to be placed on the next general election ballot.
So the answer is yes. The city could wait until as late as November 2012 to put this referendum on a ballot, which would allow enough time for the litigation to be settled. So, did the city decide to wait? No.
Okay. I move to adopt resolution number 11-2519, calling for a special referendum election for May 17, 2011, and authorize the use of general funds contingency funds to pay for the election.
Second.
We have a motion and a second. Is there any additional discussion? All in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed say nay.
Why did the city council rush to spend $138,000 taxpayer dollars on this special election? Shouldn't the developer be paying for the costs of this election? These questions deserve an answer. Stay tuned.